this video, you'll learn how to take a chord chart and add rhythm to it.
Cannot always get what you want, but if you try sometime, you might find.
This technique is beautiful, easy. We're gonna build this step by step, just using simple chords and adding the special trick. So even as a beginner, you'll be able to play it. Let's go. The first step is to learn the chords and then figure out when you have to move to the next chord. As an example, I'm using the song You Can't Always Get What You Want by Rolling Stones. And for this song, the chords are C major, C, E, G with C. You can play doing the root or doubling the root like this. F major, F, A, C with F. And then D major, D, F sharp, A with D. I'm playing all day in the root position just to be simple to visualize, but you can play doing inversions as well. After you've learned the chords, now it's time to figure out the tempo, the rhythm. For that, just play the chord one time just to get to know when you have to move to the next chord. And the easiest way to do that is just following the lyrics. So let me play this for you in the simple way as possible.
You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. No, you cannot always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find you're gonna get what you need.
The second step is just to fill up the spaces by just adding rhythm to those chords. And by the way, if you look at piano course, especially for beginners, I will leave a link of my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson, all you have to do is play the chord and keep repeating one chord per bar. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move to the next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep moving. Simple like that. Let's listen to how it sounds with the vocals.
You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. No, you cannot always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find you're gonna get what you need.
After that, it's finally time to use the trick 2+1, which means every time you're getting so repetitive or boring to play exactly the same chords, you can play the top two notes and the bottom note as well. For example, let's say I'm gonna play this everything together, so 1, 2, I'm bored now, and then you're gonna repeat the top two notes and the bottom note like this. You sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the left hand, every time you do the 2+1 trick, you also can repeat the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you might be or don't, it's up to you. But the real secret here, my friends, it doesn't matter how many times you repeat this 2+1 trick or where you can play this 2+1 trick. What I mean? For example, you can play 1, 2, and then 3, 4, or even 1, 2, 3, 4. Or even all the times, all the repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. it doesn't matter. This is the real secret. To avoid being boring or too repetitive, just make the thing so spontaneous. And then just keep repeating exactly the same idea, exactly the same process through the chord progression. For example, if I'm playing the F major, C, F, D, F, and so on. And to give you more ideas, let me play for you with the vocals.
You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. No, you cannot always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find you're gonna get what you need.
Now to learn more techniques about chord chart like this, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next tutorial.